Hey, my name is Chris from Loresmith, a small indie publisher. You may know us from products like Remarkable Inns and a bunch of other stuff. Today I wanted to let you know about a new project that we are developing called Savage Dawn, which is a campaign setting for any fantasy RPG system. Okay, another campaign setting, I hear you say? Well, yes, Savage Dawn is very different. Really? How so? Reason 1. Savage Dawn is compatible with any RPG system, so our design focus was to bring you a cool role-playing experience without smacking you senseless with a 500-page rulebook. So we want you to pick your own rule system of choice, like 5th edition, Pathfinder, whatever you like to play in. Then you take our setting, the world, the characters, the stories, the locations, and have a blast. This way, in early playtests, we got the feedback from players and dungeon masters that they really liked the freedom. It was all about the role-playing experience, and they even said it made them feel like playing D&D again for the first time. It felt fresh. Dungeon masters said that they really liked the big level of freedom, and that they didn't have to learn a bunch of new rules just to be able to start playing. Reason 2, your decisions and game sessions shape the world. Really? So at the outset, Savage Dawn, the world map is virtually empty. There's one big settlement called the Stronghold and a few dots on the map and a whole lot of fog. And the rest of the world is unknown. Now your group sets out adventuring, exploring the wild and discovering new things. And you get to report your findings to our team. Our team reviews it and curates it and uses your reports to develop future updates to the setting. Now this is pretty cool in my honest opinion. Reason 3, everyone can play. The starter PDF will be freely available in the beginning so everyone can start playing. Updates to the setting such as expansions of the world, characters, new story arts, and the right to submit player reports is Patreon exclusive. This way we keep a certain level of exclusivity and we get control over what ends up in the setting and what not. We understand that not everyone is interested in being a patron, so that's fine. If, however, you really like it, we do very much need your Patreons. Not only will you get all the updates to the setting, but you really help develop this massive project. So there you go, this is Savage Dawn. If this gets your nerdy juices flowing, please know that we are now accepting alpha playtesters, so you can sign up through the link below and become a playtester with your group. You will get access to all of the current materials, which are still very much in development, mind you. So you can start playing and give us feedback. So this is a great way for you to experience a new setting, and it helps us finish the development of the starter materials. So become an alpha playtester, sign up through the link below now. If you still want to know more about Savage Dawn, then I suggest watching the official sexy promo trailer, which the link you can also find in the description and on the Patreon page. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. I've been rambling. So thanks again for watching. I hope you will check out Savage Dawn. If you like it, please share this video. Comment below. If you hate it, comment below. If you think this looks ridiculous, comment below. And have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.